Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports fast charging models from iPhone 8 onward. Next, grab a USB-C to Lightning cable and a USB power delivery charger rated 20W or higher. This combination allows the phone to accept higher wattage. Once done, reduce background load. Enable airplane mode or low power mode so the battery accepts voltage quicker and generates less heat. These prerequisites set the stage for the charging profile to ramp up safely and rapidly. Now plug the PD charger directly into a reliable wall outlet rather than a hub or laptop, because direct AC provides stable current. Connect the USB-C to Lightning cable firmly, first to the charger, then to your iPhone, so negotiation for higher power can occur. Make sure you monitor the on-screen charging indicator and feel the device for excessive heat. If the phone gets hot, charging speed will be reduced. Adjust placement so airflow keeps the device cool and power delivery stays consistent. Finish by unplugging once you hit your target, typically 80 to 90% for longest battery life, or full if you need a top-up. If charging remains slow, make sure you're using a genuine or MFI-certified USB-C to Lightning cable and a proper PD charger. Aftermarket or damaged cables often limit current. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, try a different outlet, and inspect the Lightning port for debris. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves negotiation or connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.